Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO Reno5 and today I'll show you how to record screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down the notification panel, expand the list and go to the second page where you should by default see the screen recording toggle. So from here, simply tap on it. It will want to get some permissions, so just tap on accept, agree and continue and allow all of this. And from here it will give you a quick little guide on different toggles that you have accessible. So we have the recording button right at the top, then we have settings and just simply closing it off. So I'm gonna start off by going into the settings by tapping on the settings. And it will have some quick ones right here, which are fairly nice. We can record the system sound and microphone both together. Although if you're planning to do such a thing, do use headphones for it, otherwise you will get basically a overlapping sound on one of the tracks, making it not very desirable. Apart from those toggles, we also can go to more settings where we'll have, well, as the option suggests, more settings. And probably the primary one would be the video resolution. So by default set to medium. I would recommend you to probably set it to high. This will increase the quality of it. And from there we also have fixed frame rate. So we have dynamic. I'm just gonna close it off. So dynamic, apparently it adjusts. You can lock it to 60, which probably would be the best option. I can also go for 30. 24 is an option, but I wouldn't really go for it, and 15 is just flat out not an option, I would call it. Just don't use 15. This is just, if you're planning to have a fixed frame rate of 15, then you might as well just take a slideshow. So I'm gonna go with locked 60. Then apart from that, we also have a couple additional settings like showing the front camera. So it will add a little circle and it will record what the front camera sees. And anything else worth mentioning here? Looks like that's about it. So once you have set it all up, you can simply leave this. Now I'm gonna re-enable the toggle right here. So from here, tap on the red circle. And this will start recording the video. As you can see, there's the camera and my... So yeah. And you can move that around if you want to. So also whatever I'll do right now will be recorded at 60 frames. So I'm trying to mess around just to see how the recording looks like. And from there, once you're satisfied, just simply click right here to extend it, and you can either pause it or close it. Closing it is with, well, the red square, and pause is just with the two bars. And once you stop the recording or completely finish it up by stopping it, you can find it in your photo gallery. So let me quickly locate that. Oh, there we go. And there's the recording. So as you can see, it recorded fairly well. The phone is a little bit struggling with keeping a steady frame rate while recording, as you've seen there, but other than that, it looks fairly okay. Now, that being said, that is how you record your screen, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.